Hey there, I'm Krista with WTI, and I've found the sofa protector that is the perfect sweet spot of style and function. It's this STACYPIK chenille sofa protector set. Right out of the package, I knew I was going to love this set. The color, which is burnt orange, is really warm and inviting and makes the space feel cozy. The material is thick and soft and lush, and it's inviting to sit on. The herringbone pattern is just what I was looking for to make that little elevated style selection. Being that the installation was easy was just icing on the cake. I literally just threw it over the couch as if it were a bed sheet and then tucked and folded the corners and around the cushions to give it that tailored look that I wanted. As you can see, it's taken my beige, bland sectional to being a really beautiful focal point. So if you're looking for that sofa protector that's going to give you the ability to eat, drink, and invite your pets up on the sofa with you without any worry or burden, then you need to check out this STACYPIK chenille sofa protector set. And that's my point of view.